Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Sproat Lake, a beautiful spot on Vancouver Island, British Columbia. Just a 15-minute drive from Port Alberni, this lake stretches over 27 kilometers and is surrounded by lush forests and snow-capped mountains. Sproat Lake is known for its warm, clear waters, making it perfect for swimming, fishing, water skiing, and windsurfing. In the summer, families and friends gather here to enjoy these activities. For those who love camping, Sproat Lake Provincial Park offers great facilities. You can set up your tent or park your RV close to the lake and enjoy the natural surroundings. History enthusiasts will find the ancient petroglyphs at the park fascinating. These rock carvings, created by Indigenous peoples, are among the finest in British Columbia.
Thank you very much.
In 2023, Sproat Lake was voted the best lake in British Columbia by CBC viewers, highlighting its popularity among locals and visitors alike. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, Sproat Lake offers something for everyone.
Thanks for watching!